Is your 2021 Mazda CX-9's infotainment screen frozen or unresponsive? Many owners experience issues with the Mazda Connect system, including frozen screens, audio failures, and connectivity problems. Before heading to the dealership, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try yourself. First, try a soft reset. Hold the volume knob and navigation button simultaneously for 10 seconds. This simple procedure resolves minor glitches about 60 to 70% of the time. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. The first method involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnecting it. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, as shown by the red circle in this diagram. Alternatively, you can remove the infotainment fuse, typically rated at 15 amperes, for 10 minutes and then reinstall it. Refer to this fuse color chart to identify the correct 15 amp fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. Remember, after performing either hard reset method, allow 5 to 10 minutes for the system to fully initialize before testing functionality. When basic resets fail to resolve your infotainment issues, several advanced solutions are available. These require more technical knowledge, but can solve persistent problems. The first advanced option is a factory reset through a hidden service menu. This process varies by model year, so consult your owner's manual or dealership for specific instructions. Visiting a Mazda dealership for the latest firmware updates is highly recommended. Dealerships have access to the most current software versions and proper diagnostic tools. For persistent issues, professional OBD2 scanning can identify specific system error codes. This diagnostic approach helps pinpoint exact problems rather than guessing at solutions. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance and proper usage can significantly reduce the likelihood of infotainment problems occurring in the first place. Keep your system updated by checking for software updates every 6 months. Handle the touchscreen gently and avoid exposing your vehicle to extreme temperatures when possible. Industry statistics show that 15 to 20% of 2021 CX-9 vehicles experience infotainment issues within the first 2 to 3 years of ownership. Early intervention is key to preventing minor problems from becoming major repairs. By following these advanced solutions and prevention strategies, you can maintain your infotainment system's reliability and avoid costly repairs. Remember that early intervention and regular maintenance are your best defenses against system failures.